Good morning, Bear County. It appears we have two severe thunderstorm warnings now in effect. One towards the bottom, just south of downtown, moving towards Elmendorf. This is the one that was initially uh, issued earlier on, and this storm apparently is now showing some signs of weakening a little bit as it moves to the northeast. The other severe thunderstorm that warning that's just been issued is the one for right around where Converse and Universal City and Randolph Air Force Base. That is a new severe thunderstorm warning that's been issued until 1 a.m. These cluster of storms are moving to the east northeast in terms of the storms themselves. The line itself is moving towards the east at around 20 to 30 miles an hour. The reason for the issuance of the severe thunderstorm is for winds approximately up to 60 miles an hour and hail of up to 1 inch possible with these storms as they continue to move to the east. These are obviously sneaky storms, as we like to call them. And these storms just came up out of nowhere as the dry line in the front from earlier today are starting to move towards the east. This is why we're starting to have these last minute buildup of storms that have shown up. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for this area down here, which includes the Elmendorf area. And then we have a separate severe thunderstorm warning to the northeast of the northeast area, of Bear County, which includes Converse, Universal City, and Randolph Air Force Base. I'm going to go ahead and stop this motion and just kind of see where everything is here for a second. And as you can see, here we are with this particular severe thunderstorm. It's to the east of, let's just say, we're going to call it 37 and 410, right at the crux. That is where this particular severe thunderstorm is. And if we happen to look at the estimated hail size, we'll let that bring it up. This is the reason why the severe thunderstorm has been issued for this area, showing almost 1.5 inch hail potentially falling in this particular area. And this is to the north, right at the crux of 410 and 37 and moving up towards the east side of Bear County. If we move further up, we do have this other storm that's not providing that much, at least radar indicated, not providing that much heavy hail or as large hail as this particular cell. But alas, there is a severe thunderstorm warning just in case that hail does increase in size as these storms continue to move to the east, northwest. Again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning right up here. Let me go ahead and remove the probe until 1 a.m. for winds up to 60 miles an hour and 1 inch hail. And then we have this particular storm right here that is now going to cross over towards, let's see here, right around the 37-281 crux right in there. There's a severe thunderstorm warning till about 12:45. I'm going to try to see here. This particular cell that's going to the east northeast should be, it already passed China Grove and Cibolo. But if you're in Marion, St. Headway, you may see some effects of this storm as it continues to move to the east northeast. And then this storm here, let me see if I can bring this guy up. I'm trying to find the little marker right in here. I'm not seeing this particular storm. Could be affecting Elmendorf in the next 2 minutes and perhaps St. Hedwig in about 24 minutes as the storm continues to move to the east northeast, give or take. Again, these are surprise sneaky storms. We come across this every once in a while in the spring, and this is what happens when air masses do not get along. And we have obviously an addition outside our jurisdiction that we cover. We do have another severe thunderstorm warning for the areas over here by Lulling, Lockhart. So if you have friends or family in this general area, you might go ahead and just be aware that there is another severe thunderstorm warning coming up for their area. We also have one obviously to our south. So we do have quite a bit of activity tonight that came out of this cold front and dry line that's moved pushing to the east. As we zoom out, this is really the only other storms that we have, or storm cells that are currently occurring across Texas, at least to our west. So we're not, hopefully, this should be the last of the storms as they continue to push to the east at around 20 to 30 miles an hour. Again, this particular storm right here, about to exit the Bexar County area, is in effect till 1 a.m. And this particular severe thunderstorm warning down here, right about, I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. It's just to the southwest of China Grove. This particular cell right here, this storm warning is in effect till 12:45 again for up to 1 and 1.5 inch hail, and the one over here could be 1 inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. So again, for these storms, please take the necessary precautions. Stay away from windows, find some shelter, and ensure that you're taking care of them if you haven't already. And these storms are moving in your direction, putting your cars in the garage. We definitely don't want any kind of issues with that. We'll continue to update this through Twitter, but we wanted to kind of quickly jump in live to give you guys an update on the severe weather situation we have currently. Thanks for watching.
You're watching Bexar County Severe Weather Live.